We're here to talk about the 11 ways to use WebAR in 2023 to help your business meet its objectives. Now, it's fair to say that since WebAR came to market around 2017, it's changed the game for the sector. And that simple shift from app download requirement to accessing experiences through the browser has opened up the opportunity to both brands and consumers by reducing friction and increasing ease of use. So WebAR is really about you developing an always-on camera strategy for your business in a more immersive digital age. Think of it as the digital layer to your brand's physical presence. Your branded lens, if you will, as a digital overlay on the world around us. So let's get into those 11 use cases. First up, interactive packaging. Now this is a big one. This is about turning all your passive print into your most valuable owned digital media channel to connect with your consumers at point of sale and, most importantly, at point of use and consumption. Now, with most large organizations already well down the path in their connected pack strategies and the use of QR, this really is a no-brainer. Use your packaging as an always-on channel to support through-the-line marketing initiatives, promotions, and always-on information around usage instructions, sustainability, recycling, and CSR messaging. The beauty of this approach is the data it drives. You're driving interactions with your brands you never had before, at rates you've never seen. There's only upside. Next, and another big and obvious use case, is virtual try before you buy. This can be for virtual try-on all the way through to interactive deep dives into product benefits through exploded views and product walkthroughs. This is all about allowing consumers to get virtually hands-on with your product to drive higher conversion and click-throughs. If you want to increase sales success or have a complex or detailed product story to get across, this is the one for you. In third spot, we all know that repeat purchase and loyalty is the most efficient way to drive sales success. Now with WebAR, you can incentivize that repeat behavior and brand preference through more engaging and interactive promotions and benefits to drive that next purchase. Number 4, there's no doubt that we live in a world of increasing conscientious consumerism. Brand preference and choice is increasingly driven by the products and packaging that are helping to achieve the challenging global commitments to reach net zero emissions. But this messaging can be hard to understand, and specifically on product packaging, be hard to get across in certain contexts and with limited space. Using WebAR and the benefits of spatial storytelling around sustainability can help make your message understood and resonate with both consumers and employees alike. That brings us to number 5, around personalization and promotion. One of the benefits of AR in general is how we can put the user at the center of the narrative, not only in terms of the paths they take through your storyline, but also virtually putting them at the center of the experience. This can build affinity and engagement, driving greater performance and positive brand saliency. Which brings us to point 6, as that level of personalization and engagement can also incorporate a feedback loop, driving more social sharing and engagement. AR in general remains a surprise and delight experience that people like to share. The more personalized, the more users are willing to share with their friends and family, driving greater exposure and positive brand promotion for your product or activation. Now, there is no more natural place for AR to reside than in the extension and amplification of branded IP for depth of storytelling and driving awareness. It's little wonder that WebAR is a natural home for film and TV releases and brand tie-ins for on-pack promotions. AR has the ability to add layers of intrigue and understanding and interest to an IP's universe, increasing purchase intent and brand choice. In at 8, we have out-of-home advertising, with AR being a new way to see and discover the world through the lens of your device. It's little wonder that it can add engagement and excitement out in the real world. Not only in bringing existing out-of-home placements to life in the way that it can explode and add depth to poster creative, but also how it can totally reimagine the idea of places and spaces to add a new way for your brand to interact with your customers in given locations. With WebAR and location-based experiences, the entire world is your out-of-home media opportunity. For number 9, we have product launches. There's no more important time to get your new product initiative across than at launch. And let's be honest, unless you're Apple, no one is really waiting for your next announcement. So using WebAR to cut through and explain what you're bringing to the table is an effective part of your comm strategy. Using AR as part of your unboxing experience and storytelling can bring users closer to making that purchase decision and share with their community to help amplify your message. Which leads us to number 10, and how WebAR is part of Web3 and building more immersive, 3D-driven online experiences for your brand. A key benefit of AR is allowing greater and more engaging exploration of your products and brand stories by consumers. These still need to be simple and intuitive, but AR has that power to give consumers that extra bit of confidence in your product and solution to make that purchase decision. Last, and by no means least, in the 11th spot, is onboarding and training. We've talked a lot about external comms and product support in AR, but there's an equally important and proven path for the efficacy of AR in onboarding and training for internal teams and sales enablement. AR can be used to fast-track employee understanding of a brand's culture and processes, especially in an era of remote working. It can be used for safety training and product assembly, vastly reducing costs, time to competency, and memory recall, leading to better long-term efficiency gains. And it can be used by teams in the field for sales enablement, reducing the need for physical sales materials and products, reducing the time per sale, and increasing the number of visits. Put simply, hardwired into your learning, training, and development paths, WebAR can impact both your top-line sales and bottom-line costs. So there you go. That's 11 ways that WebAR can accelerate growth, drive efficiency, and deliver better data for you and your business in 2023. The bigger point here is that WebAR should really be considered as a fundamental platform capability within your business to be deployed against different problem statements and opportunities, from product packaging, retail, marketing communications, and internal learning, training, and development. It should be part of your technology stack rather than deployed for one-off campaigns. To learn more about how you can build an AR competency for your business, please do contact us at Zapper. And you can reach us at contact@zapper.com.